Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe account to your AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you can make sales directly from the landing page. So if you link your Stripe to your AWeber, you can accept payments right from the landing page. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I went ahead and logged into my AWeber, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Stripe account to AWeber, here on the left menu, you're going to click on integrations. It looks like a little cloud. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the integrations you can add to your AWeber, but you want to look for this one right here, Stripe for landing pages. If you don't see that, don't worry, just click here in the search bar and type in Stripe. Okay, once you click there, AWeber is going to give you a little bit of information on what connecting your Stripe to AWeber can do. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Connect Integration. Okay, next, in order to link your Stripe to AWeber, Stripe's going to open up a login screen. So you're going to go ahead and enter in your email address that you have attached to your Stripe account, not to your AWeber account. And then after that, click on Submit. Okay, next, Stripe's going to ask you to enter in your Stripe password right here, and then click on Submit. Okay, next, AWeber sent me a code to my email address to make sure that it's me that's connecting my AWeber to Stripe. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, next, if you have more than one company information set up with your Stripe, you're going to want to choose which one you're going to connect to your AWeber. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here, and then you click on Create. Okay, next, Stripe is asking me to go ahead and enter in my website, so I'm going to put that in here. Okay, I just put my YouTube channel. I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, next, Stripe's showing me all of my personal financial details, so just scroll through that and make sure it's correct. If so, click on Agree and Submit. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my AWeber account. Now you can see my Stripe for landing pages is connected to my AWeber account. So now I can go ahead and accept payments through my landing pages. And if at any time in the future you want to go ahead and disconnect, just come back here and disconnect integration. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.